So there is just one command that you can use to install Flutter on either Windows, Mac or Linux. And this can be done with something we call package managers. With a package manager you can automate the process of installing certain tools. And in our case we'll just automate the process of installing Flutter. Now there are a bunch of different package manager solutions, but for Windows we're going to use Chocolately, for Mac we're going to use Homebrew, and for Linux we're going to use Snap. In this case we're going to use Windows, so we'll use the Chocolately command choco to install Flutter. And this is the only thing you need to do. It will actually install the version 2.8 of Flutter and set it in the environment variable. So we simply have to wait. Once that is done, we should be able to just refresh the environment variables or restart the terminal, and we should have the Flutter command to use. Now keep in mind that this can be a bit slower to get the latest version of Flutter, but personally I just use it to install and then I will use the Flutter command to upgrade. And that was all we had to do. So here are the 3 different sites that you might want to check out. First we have Chocolately for Windows, and here you can see the installation process that you're going to take, which is just one command. And for macOS we can take a look at Homebrew, and in Homebrew we'll just use this command written right here. And of course if you're using a Linux distribution you can use Snap and install it right here. So no need to handle different environment variables anymore. So hit like and subscribe if you want to see more short videos like this one.